Watershed Council, and we're going to talk to you today about nature art.
I'm so excited for nature art. We're here today at Pioneer Park in Brownsville, Oregon. And you might be wondering, what is nature art?
So nature art is creating art with all the natural objects around you.
Yeah, nature provides all the materials we need to make art. It also provides us some inspiration for color and texture. We have everything we need here, from the grass to the trees, even to the river.
So looking around our park here, what kind of materials do you see that we could use for nature art?
So Tulip and I are going to make some nature art for you to check out. So while we gather materials and set things up, check out these awesome photos of the artist Andy Goldsworthy. He creates all of his works of art from nature, and what's really cool is all he does is take pictures of it and then he puts everything back where it was originally. And that's what we're going to do today.
One thing I really love is the river and the sound of the river rushing over these rocks. So I wanted to use some river rocks in my nature art. So I found a bunch of rocks that I could easily fit in my hand, and whenever we're picking up rocks, we always want to make sure that we're lifting away from us and checking for any living creatures so we don't rip up anyone's home. So I got a bunch of rocks, and I decided to make this spiral and then see how many rocks I could stack together. So this is my nature art. And now I'm going to send it back to live here on the bank.
So I was inspired by kind of the lawn right around here. So I picked a couple little daisies and one dandelion, some grass. I found these cool pieces on the ground. And it's okay to pick little things, or if there's a lot of them, it's okay to pick a few little things for nature art. But then we're all gonna put it back in nature for maybe insects to eat, or for it to decompose and go back into the soil, which is great.
So now that you've gotten a chance to see what nature art we created, we would love for you to go out and make some of your own. So go out to a local park or maybe your backyard and make your own nature art. And if you want to share it with us, snap a photo of it and upload it on Canvas so we can check out your amazing art too.